Everyone, and this is Matt from Skybow. In this video I want to show you how you can create your own solution templates using the Skybow Solution Studio. To do so, you can either start a new solution from scratch or you can take one of our templates. In this case I took our employee management template. To customize my solution, I simply add another list using our list creation wizard. I will take an issue tracking list, but I will not add any other columns to it. To change one more thing, I go to the All Issues view and I add a Skybow list view search to it. With this feature we can filter lists based on their metadata. Next to the title I want to have the issue status as a filter criteria. I simply define the title to use the contains as filter criteria. Last but not least, I define the auto filter that I don't need to press search all the time. When finished, I can save it and change to the package tab. Here I can create a new package, define a name, and optionally a description and a screenshot of my solution. Then click next and finish, and the package will be created. This could take a couple of minutes. Once the package is created, I can always change the properties later on. Now I could go to publish and publish this package to a new site, but for now we just want to create a new template out of that package. So we can go to share template in the right panel, and here we can share it whether with someone else or just with myself. So I will simply type in my own email address and I can share it with me. Great, that's it. Now you will see a list of all the people you've shared the template with, and you can always delete this sharing later on. If we now go back to start over again, adding a new solution, we can say start from template, and then on the top you will see the shared templates. Here we can see the previously shared template, and we can start from this template to create another solution. With this functionality you can create your own solution library. Just try it out.